The bulls are back in town. The bulls are back in town. What's going on, Kryptonaires? Mr. Influence here, back at it again with another video. As you can see, we have another one of those beautiful green candlesticks on the 4-hour chart. On the 5-minute chart, I don't really look at that unless I'm day trading, and I got something for those people that want to see day trading content. So stay tuned. I'll mention more details later on in the video. So yeah, on the 4-hour chart, we have a beautiful breakout. We finally broke past $9,000. The key point that we were looking for, it's what we really needed. If we wouldn't break past this $9,000 range, it just wouldn't go good. The technical analysis would look horrible. People would be scared. All this crazy stuff. So let's go check out the prices. Bitcoin is at 9,000. First of all, let's check out the market cap. So we beat the $400 billion market cap. We're now at $427.4 billion. 24-hour volume 28.6 billion, but Bitcoin dominance at 37.2%. Bitcoin price is at $9,351. Ethereum $699, about to be $700. Let's see if we refresh. No, it's not. Okay. Ripple 92 cents. Bitcoin Cash $1,500. EOS 1362. Litecoin 163. Cardano 31 cents. Stellar 39 cents. IOTA $2.20. Neo 81.65. So overall, market is doing pretty good. We see some 20%ers. We see some 15%ers. It's very lovely to see the market cap over 400 billion once again. We haven't seen this for how long now? It's been honestly too long. We haven't seen 400 billion since around March 8th is like pretty much the last day that we saw $400 billion market cap, and from there we went right down for about a month. Yeah, month and a half. Okay, enough of that. So we have some interesting articles, a lot of bullish articles, a lot of bullish signals from huge investors. Just overall a positive talk going on in the crypto space. So I'm sure many of you guys know who Dan Bilzerian is. This guy is one of the most looked at social media people out there. Like 23.1 million followers on Instagram. This is like the person everybody wants to be. Super fit, super rich, great poker player, made a lot of his fortune from poker, and I believe he invested in quite a bit of stuff as well. So he has 1.4 million followers on Twitter, and what he tweeted 2 days ago was time to get back into crypto. Now, Dan Bilzerian was in Bitcoin in 2017. I know that for sure. I know he was saying he was making a killer profit, but it looks like he got out at the right time. It looks like whoever his financial advisor is, which is something I am not, that directed him in the right way, because I'm sure he wouldn't just get into crypto and know exactly when to sell. But now it looks like he's back in, and he's letting everybody know that it's time to get back into crypto. Great thing to see from this guy. I honestly am a fan of this guy. This is honestly the life everybody would like to live. Every day this guy enjoys every minute of his day. All right, let's look at another very bullish article. This is from, once again, Tim Draper from CNBC. This guy is super bullish on Bitcoin. He holds $30,000 Bitcoin that he bought at an auction back in 2014, which is now worth like $236 million or so, and he's still holding on to them. He hasn't sold a single coin. He sees a way brighter future in Bitcoin than it is right now. So this is the article. Early investor in Tesla, Skype, and Hotmail says Bitcoin will be bigger than all those combined. Venture capitalist Tim Draper says Bitcoin will be bigger than his early investments in Tesla, Hotmail, and Skype combined. This is bigger than the internet, Draper says. The early internet investor reiterated his bullish call for Bitcoin to hit $250,000 by 2022 and elaborated on use cases. Not only does venture capitalist Tim Draper think Bitcoin is here to stay, he says it could be bigger than the internet. Let's check out this quick video. This video is literally just going to be saying whatever is in the article, so I'm not going to look into it. So let's keep going with the article. When asked during a debate how the digital currency compared to his early investments in Tesla, Hotmail, and Skype, Draper said Bitcoin will be bigger than all of those combined. This is bigger than the internet. It's bigger than the Iron Age. It's bigger than the Renaissance. It's bigger than the Industrial Revolution, Draper said. At Intelligence Squared US debate presented in partnership with Manhattan Institute's Adam Smith Society on Saturday. This affects the entire world and is going to be affected in a faster and more prevalent way than you ever imagined. Draper, founder of leading venture capital firms Draper Associates and DFJ, reiterated his bullish call for Bitcoin to hit $250,000 within 4 years and elaborated on use cases. In 5 years, you are going to try to go buy coffee with fiat currency, and they're going to just laugh at you because you're not using crypto. The early internet investor said, I believe that there will be a point at which you will no longer really want any of the fiat currency. Draper bought nearly 30,000 Bitcoins in a 2014 U.S. Marshals Service auction and told CNBC in December he was still holding all those coins. In December, the price was $20,000. Keep that in mind. If that is still the case, Draper's holding is worth about $268 million at Monday's prices. The opposition in Saturday's debate, Financial Times managing editor Gillian Tett highlighted nefarious uses for Bitcoin, its volatility and risks to investors. Draper responded that he is more secure in my Bitcoin than I am in the money that's sitting there in Wells Fargo. Very true. Overstock.com CEO Patrick Burney debated alongside Draper in favor of Bitcoin and was equally bullish on its security. This has been hacked at more than anything in history and has never been defeated, Burney said. Last I checked, banks get hacked too. And yeah, Bitcoin is used by unsavory characters. Last I checked, they used US dollars too. Exactly. Same thing with all the money laundering bullshit. Like, it's you're telling me there's no money laundering with the US dollar. There's more money laundering with the US dollar than there is with Bitcoin. Fact. Burney is in the process of reorganizing Overstock's retail businesses to focus on blockchain, the technology behind Bitcoin. While there are more than 1,500 cryptocurrencies in existence, according to CoinMarketCap.com, this is according to CoinMarketCap.com, there's actually like 2,200 or so. Not all of them are listed on CoinMarketCap, which also changes the whole market cap value because it was over 400 billion yesterday, but technically on CoinMarketCap it was still 399 billion. But altogether, there's I believe it's CoinPuffs. CoinPuffs tells you all the coins, like 2,200, and the market cap was like 416 billion. But yeah, because of its market share. Draper said Bitcoin has an enormous lead, will likely win the long-term crypto battle because of its market share. Bitcoin dominated about 38% of the global market capitalization as of Monday. Ethereum is the next biggest, making up roughly 16% of the global market cap, while Ripple comes in third place at about 8.5%. Like you see right over here. Let's see, can we do it? No, I don't feel like doing that. Boom, like you see here, the top 3 is what they mentioned. So very, very bullish article, very bullish. Just overall, a lot of people are bullish. People are definitely not looking at all the FUD. I still see FUD articles coming up, but it's just not affecting the price whatsoever because people are tired of it. People are tired of fiat currency. People are scared of fiat currency, as many people are seeing a stock market bubble bursting very soon, or are saying it already burst and it's on its way down. Yeah, I don't want to get more into that. But so we looked over the bullish Tim Draper article, the bullish Dan Bilzerian tweet. Now let me know what you guys think and what you think the price will go to in the next couple of days, where you think the resistance will be. I honestly believe it'll go to around, like, from here, I think it's just going to have a little bit of trouble getting over 10K. It might take a little bit of a dip there and then try for it again and make it through. And then we could see us testing this $11.7 thousand range where we fell down before. If we break past that, super bullish on Bitcoin. But either way, as of right now, I am bullish. I've been bullish since right here. I made a video when all this happened, and I said I think this is the bottom. Do not take anything I say as financial advice, but I do personally think that it is the bottom. And as of right now, it looks like I was right, and it looks like we had a double bottom. We had a bottom right here, and then we had the other bottom right over here, right here. Boom and boom. People also call this the Adam and Eve. There's a whole lot of different ways to call it. And then we've seen these massive bull flags that just toom. It's amazing what's been going on in the market. But now I just want to update you guys on a new series that I will be coming out with. This is just me mentioning it. I will make a whole separate video about it today. Yesterday I started a day trading crypto account, like a fund. Pretty much I funded an account with $2,053, $2,053, and I was like, all right, it's either the goal is going to be $1 million in a year, but then again, that's very high, as I've been day trading for a while now, but I just don't think $1 million is, like, you know what I mean, like reasonable. I think the goal will still be $1 million, but not in 1 year, maybe in like 2 years. But that'll change once we're like 2 months into this thing. That's when I'll decide like what the goal is and how much, because I'll see that around the average that I'm making and what I can do to make myself better. But I started last night with $2,053, did 4 trades on KuCoin shares, Dent, XRP, and ADA. Cardano I lost $36 on, the rest I made profit on. Made a total amount of profit of almost pretty much $290 or so, $295. Not bad for a few trades with a $2,000 start. Yeah, so let me know if you guys are excited to see all that day trading crypto stuff. I will make a whole series about it. Make sure you comment below, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you guys see when this day trading starts, and hopefully we could also do some lives with it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Boom, I can't turn it off.